up laying down there at the end, and that's why she caught me back with her head.
Sit up. Sit up like this.
Okay, feet out.
Sit up.
Feet out.
Sit up.
Yeah, stay sitting up. Come on. I won't let you get hurt. Come on. I won't let you hurt your head. There you go. Yeah, you didn't fall down.
All I'm doing right now, I just want to take this off.
Hey, Joseph. Watch me.
We never have to go to the park again. Do you realize that?
Wow, that'd be pretty awesome.
Has monkey bars so I can train on monkey bars.
Because I have to come out. This one's got a chisel.
Okay, you do it.
Help me get
Just let sit up like you are.
You're good.
this one.
Don't push her.
I know.
Yeah, you're doing good.
What we'll do is
I'm going to catch you.
Zoe.
I'll catch you.
Slide
Come on.
down.
There you go.
That way.